Today I want to sew a hoodie, so keep up with me. I'm gonna put the patterns here, so you can take screenshots to use them. The first one is the front pocket. And then we have the front bodice. It is just one piece, but I fold it in half to show you the pattern. Then there is the back bodice. It is one piece too. We need two sleeves, as you already know. And for a piece of hood. It can be two, but mine is for inside, so I used four pieces. Let's start with the pocket. Fold 2 centimeters on both sides and iron them. Try to sew them in a straight line. Again 2 centimeters on other sides. Iron them too. 2 centimeters on the top too. Fold it and iron it too. So all the folded parts. Ironing the whole pocket now. Find the middle of the pocket and adjust it with the middle of the front pattern. Pin the pocket on the front so that it won't move. So all around except the pocket opening. So. Now we will sew the front bodice to the back bodice. It's got a shallow neckline in the back bodice, but the front got a deeper neckline, as you can see. Now sew down the body and along the 2 shoulders with a straight stitch. Do a zigzag stitch all the way you sew to prevent faying. It's time for the sleeves. Fold it like the video and sew the shown part. Also, you can pin it to sew easily. I will appreciate it if you like and share my video. Zigzag stitching for the sleeves too. Okay, take a gray ribbed knit and cut out a strip that is 8 centimeters in width. Mine is not enough to reach the width of the hoodie, so I sew a pair of them to each other. Flip the knit so that the sides get together, and then sew down the 2 raw edges with straight stitches to seal it off into a tube, and then iron it. Pin the knit to the bottom of the hoodie. Try to match the sew lines together. Sew the hole around the hoodie in a straight stitch. Cuff is exactly the same, 8 centimeters in width. Open up those 2 raw edges and fold it in half and sew it. So now it is folded in half and ready to attach as a cuff to the sleeve. As you can see, it is a little bit narrow than the sleeve, and you can test it around your wrist. Line up those 2 edges with pins and then sew all the way around. Don't forget the knit's zigzag. Perfect! Now find the middle of the sleeve and match it with the top part of the armhole. Do it with the armpit too. And then pin it all around the sleeve. Adjust the sleeves carefully and don't rush. And don't forget to subscribe me. Then pin it all around the sleeve and sew it. Zigzag all around the arm stitch. Split up those 4 pieces to make 2 pairs and put them right side together. Now pin all around the curved edge. We're gonna sew them along the curved edge. Put that to pair right side together and pin them along the front edge of the hood. Sew the 2 front edges. And flat iron them. I added another straight stitch along with that entire stitch about 3 centimeters away from it. We are gonna attach the hood to the sweater by pinning it all along to turn it into a hoodie. At the front there is a little overlap about 2 centimeters. I started pinning with the back middle and then moved my way down to the side of the neck hole. And now I sew it all around. Be careful with the sewing of this part, it's a little bit hard. Leave a comment if you have any question or criticize. Do a zigzag stitch for all around the hood and it's all done. Congratulations to you for sewing this hoodie with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for further videos. And I love you.